Here I have a lot of products which you can use in order to set up your skincare routine, or I should say your nighttime routine. Obviously, you're not gonna use all of them at once, so I'm gonna make it simple for you so you will not get confused about it. In a nighttime skincare routine, there are 4 steps, which is take off your makeup, clean your face. So let's call it clean. Then you're gonna tone and remove any residue where the cleanser didn't work. Then you have the repair, which consists of serums, boosters, some of the good stuff, and then the moisturizer. Now, where you can save your money is the clean and then the hydration. Why? Because you can use anything to clean your face, even the almond oil or coconut oil. With the toner, it's up to you how high you want to go. But with the moisturizer, it doesn't have to be expensive. Moisturizer is the last step which you're gonna use in order to give the last seal to your previous skincare steps. So for example, once you apply the serums, you want them to work. That's why you're gonna put the moisturizer. And yes, sometimes there are a little pump up, which is nice, but honestly, it doesn't really matter. As long as it hydrates and provide the extra layer of seal, the moisturizer doesn't really matter if it's expensive or if it's a decent price. What matters the most are the serums, and that's where you want to invest and put your money in. Why? Because they're the one who's gonna do the most for your skin. So in here I have different varieties. So we have serums, boosters, retinol, oils, and all the other stuff. But anyway, so let me backtrack. So you have clean, tone, repair, and hydrate. Okay, let's move on. If you're wearing makeup, the first thing which you want to do is to take it off. It's up to you if you want to use the balm, micellar water, the waterproof makeup remover, or all. This is your option. Then there are different kind of cleansers. So you have a foaming one, not foaming, yeah, foaming, the actual foam, and cream. So backtracking, so it's you're gonna take off your makeup and then clean your face. From here, that's where it gets complicated. So let me make it simple for you. Option 1 is clean your face, or I should say remove your makeup, wash the residue, and then you can put the acids. Now, what is acid? Is like, what is acid? Acid is let's call it liquid, which is gonna remove the dead layer of your skin. So for example, you can go with the manual, with the peeling, and physically you're gonna scrub your face. Or you can use the acid, which the most popular one is the glycolic acid, which is AHA, or beta hydroxy acid, which is BHA. The one which I have up here, they come in pads. So this one is 5% and here we have 2%. Yes, it's Claracil, but guess what? You have 2% and it's kind of strong. I would say if something starts with the one, and also you have an overnight peel. The difference between those two, AHA, it's for dry skin, and then BHA, it's more for oily skin, and it removes blackhead or tries to help out with the blackheads. So again, you have A and you have B. Depending of your skin tone, that's the one which you're gonna use. After you apply your acids, you're gonna go with serum and then the moisturizer. Option number 2, remove your makeup, clean the residue. You're gonna apply the toner. So it can be a mist, can be the actual toner, and then put a face mask. Now, you don't want to use the same mask every single night. You want to rotate them. Why? Because your skin, it changes. For example, one night it can be really dry, the other it can produce more oil. So yes, try different ones. Anyway, let's just backtrack. So you're going to remove your makeup, wash your face, put the toner, put the mask, then put the serum and a moisturizer. Option number 3, remove your makeup, wash your face, apply the toner to give the balance to your skin, and then you're gonna apply the retinol. Retinol is one of those ingredients which is proven to help with sign of aging. However, if you never use it, I would say start once a week, then slowly you can introduce maybe 2 and 3 times. Now, the retinol is gonna thin your skin. Retinol is good, but it can dry out your skin, and if you never use it, it can make you peel. Retinol is one of those ingredients which will work, but you're not gonna see the results right away. It takes some time. If you're using a retinol, you also want to use a ceramides. Why? Because the retinol is gonna thin out your skin, but the ceramides gonna tell it, you know what, get back to work. So those 2 items, they will work perfect together. And then it's up to you if you want to apply moisturizer or any kind of a, I don't know, all or overnight mask. But yes, it's nice to put something over it. Option number 4, remove your makeup, clean the skin, apply the toner, then you're gonna put any kind of a serum. You can also even layer them, apply your moisturizer to seal the good benefits of the serum, and if your skin is really dry, you can use the overnight masks. Some people, they use them on top of the moisturizer if it's not enough, or they use them instead of the moisturizer. If you don't want to put too many layers, or if you feel your skin it's still dry, you can just put all on top of your skin, because it's going to give you that extra layer of hydration and seal everything else. As you can see for yourself, there are many options to choose from, and yes, you can get confused. The way how you want to do it is go from the lightest all the way to the thickest texture. That's why the oil is going to be the last, because it has the oiliest and thickest consistency. But with the serums, this is your bank, that's your money in the bank, this is your like insurance, that's what you're gonna invest. Why? Because serum has many good benefits. You're gonna see improvement in your skin. With some, yes, right away. With the other, it's a long-term investment. So yes, it is worth looking into it. Anyway, I'm using some of the stuff like niacinamide. It's very liquidy, but it's good to improve your skin texture. So I'm gonna follow up with the Night Repair, which is a little bit thicker, and then let's say apply moisturizer. And on the nights when I feel my skin need a little bit more of a hydration, I'm gonna just put the oil. But also there are days where I know it's only hydration, then I don't mind putting like the ampoule from Misha, which is the snail extract, and then just do the same things. If you're looking at those bottles, yes, you can get overwhelmed because it's a lot, and also some of them are not cheap. If you can invest in one thing, make it a serum. Yes, there are many on the market, so don't get discouraged. To make a little recap, you're gonna remove your makeup, wash your face, put the toner, serum, and the moisturizer. Now, you're not gonna find the right routine right away. I would say start slowly. Or if you do want to introduce a new product, do one at a time. Why? Because in case if you're gonna get any kind of reaction, you know which item caused it. Instead, if you will, I don't know, start with like 5 new ones, and then you're gonna question yourself which one give you the better results. Anyway, hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I see you next time. Bye.